Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. We're starting with showing you this beautiful kit because we don't want our videographer to fall out on us while we're showing the video. This kit is called the Blooming Day and Night Strip Quilt, and we have the kits for those here in the shop. It's only two fabrics plus a strip roll. So super easy to do with a really nice finish. And we've got the kit here. You've got a pattern, two pieces of fabric, and a strip roll, and it's ready for you to make. Next up, we have Canvas by Ruby Star Society, and I wanted to show you the drape on this. I know it's hard to see a little bit, but this is 70% cotton canvas and 30% linen. So it does actually have a nice drape. I was thinking it would be fun to make overalls with, and Susan was thinking about a bag. So a tote bag, overalls, a regular handbag. These are beautiful. So this one is called Story Time. And then we have Persimmon. And we have, I forget what this one's called. I just put it in yesterday. Oh, it's called Sandbox, actually. Sandbox with sand toys. And we will have 2-yard cuts of all of these at QuiltCon as well. So if you want a 2-yard cut, we're going to have those already prepackaged for you at QuiltCon. And then last but not least, today we have the Hyperion kit, which you can see right here behind me. Such a beautiful, beautiful quilt. And we actually have a complimentary tips and tricks session. I won't call it a class, but it's a session with our own Marnette, who made that quilt, that you can attend if you buy a kit. She will give you all of her tips and tricks on making it. I know that she used a different, like she cut all of one color and then cut all the second color instead of cutting per block. So the kits here, the fabrics are absolutely beautiful. They're all batiks from Riley Blake Designs. And I think it's gorgeous. It's one of the prettier blocks of the month patterns that I've seen. And even though it is technically a block of the month, we're selling it as a full kit. And Susan will be taking one of those for herself right now. We also love how that one looks in the window. It's not finished, it's just the quilt top, but look at her beautiful seams. You have to appreciate that as a quilter. Today we are setting up at QuiltCon, so it's possible that I may have an extra video for you later today after our booth gets set up. And then we'll be sharing videos from QuiltCon for the rest of the week and into the weekend. So if you haven't yet subscribed, now is a great time to subscribe on YouTube so you get all those videos right to your inbox, whether you can make it to Raleigh or not. I hope y'all have a terrific afternoon, and we'll see you from QuiltCon tomorrow. Bye.